That was a really good moment when I just realized, okay, now I get it. Like, it's possible to learn Python effectively. I'm Mandy, and my current work role is an API and integration specialist. I'm located in Canada, and if you want to be more specific, I'm in Calgary, Alberta. The challenges before I found Real Python were I wasn't sure how to start learning Python in a way that would keep me engaged and motivated and on a schedule where I would be chewing bit by bit every day instead of just diving into, oh, let's learn about decorators. It just felt so disorganized and fractured. And there were a lot of resources on the internet, obviously, but there were some bad ones, like they didn't explain things very well for beginners. Like, I felt useless actually, because Python being the most popular language, and it seems like everybody who's anybody knows Python these days. I didn't actually, because I have access to real live instructors and like new material every day, office hours every week where you get to ask questions with Python experts. So that really captured my attention, and I didn't really think twice, and I just bought it. And I've been really happy with the purchase. So you get to watch lecture videos, which are really engaging. They're high quality, where they're Python experts to explain to you the concepts. And in those videos, they attach supplementary material, whether it's handouts like PDFs or even some ebooks or links to other videos. Like, they want to make sure you're making connections as you learn. And the most important thing is they have a Slack community where everybody on Real Python can get together and tell each other what they're working on. I was trying to learn about Lambda functions, and until I went to that module on Lambda functions in Real Python, I had no idea what was going on. But when I went through the class on Real Python, they split it up into such small chunks, and the instructors made sure they explained every little detail. I had no question about how did they get from step A to B. I feel like I've mastered Lambda expressions. Obviously, there are probably more things to learn, but compared to where I was before I watched that video, it's night and day. So my manager has realized, I'm learning Python on the side, and he was like, okay, let me get you more involved in some data engineering projects. And I told him, yeah, this course I bought, it also teaches data science, front-end statistical analysis stuff. So it's just a matter of time before I can transition to a full data science role. I feel very productive, and I feel like I can learn anything. It wasn't me before when I couldn't learn Python. It was seriously the resources and how they were put together. I would recommend Real Python for beginner, intermediate, and even expert Pythonistas, because there is a range of difficulty of material for everybody. Like, it's not targeted specifically for beginners or experts. The explanations are thorough and lucid, and they would work for anybody at any stage who's working with or just starting with Python. And that's what's so great about it, because it's not like they single any group out. It's very inclusive.